So this is Dan again with a quick tip on looking at coupons. So when I talk with a lot of my grocers, we want to understand, how does coupons work in the environment? How can we go ahead and actually find those relatively fast? So Caitlin already kind of talked to you guys earlier about how do we use the report center, how to go ahead and customize your own. And in this environment, this is actually where we're going to find this quick tip. I want to go ahead and look at the last 30 days. I want to go ahead and look at a risk type of coupons. Also want to go ahead and look at transaction amount where it's anything less than a penny. So we'll just do this right here. And what we're going to go ahead and find is anytime a customer actually received a credit with a coupon over the last 30 days. So let's see what we can find. Now, as this is generating, let's think about what is your processes as it relates to coupons. How do you use coupons? Do you have store coupons? Do you just have manufacturer coupons? What types are you using and how are they working within your environment? So here you can see the transactions have already populated. We're going to go ahead and kind of look at some of those. I always like to kind of look at all the different transactions first to see where do I want to start. Immediately, this $5 catches my eye, and then as I look further, I notice, oh, it's the same store number in this demo environment. And look over here, it's actually the same cashier. So let's go ahead and take a kind of look, see what's going on. So you see we have a vendor coupon, $5, no other items in the transaction. And it appears that they got cash for that $5 coupon. Might be something that we definitely want to go ahead and look into. When we look again, same cashier, same store, we see the same behavior. So obviously we may have a training opportunity, a customer issue, or there may be an integrity concern. I hope you found this quick tip helpful, and anytime you need more, feel free. Leave us some notes or contact us at any time. Thank you.